Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Honda CR-V emblem. This easy method will help you achieve a professional look without needing specialized tools. You'll need a few common items like a heat gun, some fishing line, and a plastic pry tool. Having your new emblem ready and some painter's tape will also make the process smooth and straightforward. Let's get started with preparing our workspace. First, we'll remove the old emblem. Apply gentle heat to the emblem for about 30 seconds using a heat gun. This softens the adhesive. Next, take a piece of fishing line and, using a sawing motion, work it behind the emblem to cut through the softened glue. Once the emblem is off, use a plastic pry tool to carefully remove any leftover adhesive without damaging your vehicle's paint. Now, let's prepare the surface for your new emblem. Apply an adhesive remover to the area where the old emblem sat, ensuring all residue is gone. Wipe the surface completely dry with a clean microfiber cloth. This is crucial for proper adhesion. Finally, use painter's tape to carefully mark the exact spot where your new emblem will be placed, ensuring perfect alignment. It's time to install your brand new emblem. Carefully peel off the protective backing from the new emblem, revealing its adhesive. Using your painter's tape as a guide, align the emblem precisely in its designated spot. Once positioned, press down firmly and evenly across the entire emblem for at least 30 seconds. This ensures the adhesive bonds securely, giving your CR-V a fresh, updated look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.